Coordinate bond. The bond formed by sharing of electrons between two atoms in which both the electrons of the shared pair are contributed by one of the atoms whereas the other atom simply takes part in sharing is called coordinate or dative bond. Shared or bond pair. A pair of electrons shared between two atoms is called bond pair of electrons. Lone pair. A pair of electrons present on an atom which is not shared with another atom is called lone pair. Conditions for the formation of coordinate bond. A. One of the two atoms must have its octet complete, having at least one lone pair of electrons in its valence shell. B. Another atom should be short of two electrons in its valence shell. Examples of coordinate compounds. Lone pair in ammonia, NH3, molecule. In ammonia, which is a polar covalent compound, the nitrogen atom possesses an electron pair that is not shared with any other atom. This unshared electron pair on the central atom of the molecule is termed as lone pair of electrons. Formation of hydroxyl or minus ion. When a water molecule loses one of its hydrogen atoms, it results in the formation of a hydroxyl ion, as shown below.